so moving on with shoulders. This is going to be your dumbbell shoulder press. Now the beauty of this exercise is it allows you to have both shoulders, and it gives you that flexibility with dumbbells that you don't have with the barbell. And it allows you to get a little bit lighter weight as well. So you don't often need a spotter, but for you heavy lifters that are really getting up there, you're gonna wanna have a spotter with you just in case. But for the dumbbell shoulder press, the main thing you wanna focus on is full range of motion and being steady. The worst thing you can do is be sloppy and be all over the place, because that's how you cause an injury or tear a muscle, which we don't want, obviously. So what you wanna do is your hands, the lowest point that it should go is actually to about your shoulder length. So you don't want to go any lower than here, and you want to end about shoulder length as well. So when you have those dumbbells, end here, and you want to go all the way to the top. Now, you don't want to go too heavy. The best thing about shoulder muscles is they're very easy to work if you do it the right way. If you do it the wrong way, they're extremely hard. There are several muscle fibers in the actual shoulder and several tiny muscle tendons that you can tear. So you got to be really careful. So mind-muscle connection is key here. So take it slow, really focus on getting to that bottom of that motion and then all the way to the peak extension. And that is how you do your dumbbell shoulder press. It's very important to make sure that your back is flat on the bench and your feet are planted firmly. You don't want to be swaying or rocking back and forth to get that weight up. Focus on full range of motion, which should be from the peak point of the extension all the way down to a 90-degree angle from your elbows to your body, which the dumbbells should land right around your chin or your nose. Take the reps nice and slow and really focus on the contraction of that muscle, which would be the medial deltoid and anterior deltoid.